In this video, we'll be talking about how we can diagnose persons with ODD. Now, it's simple. Diagnosis can be done by conducting a simple assessment, just observational assessment to observe behavior. Now, firstly, the parents and caregiver of these persons need to be interviewed to find out certain behavior pattern in the child. Secondly, there is a behavior chart or checklist. If the child ticks most of the boxes on the checklist, then we can say for sure if the child has ODD or not. We also get reports from parents, teachers, and caregivers to find out if there is a behavior pattern that the child presents sometimes. Now, if you're a parent or a caregiver of a child who exhibits traces of ODD, we do not give up on them. How do we provide support for these ones? The first and most important thing is for us to regulate our own emotions. We should stay calm. The reason being that ODD feeds up on emotional reaction. When we react in certain ways, then the ODD is actually fed and the ODD kind of exhibits itself more and more. Secondly, we should be consistent. There should be clear and firm rules with predictable consequences. That is what works best. If you do this, this is the consequences. Now, thirdly, we should also notice good behavior because sometimes these children struggle to present with good behavior. When they do that, we should notice it and acknowledge it so that the child knows that he or she is being acknowledged when good behavior is presented. We should also pick our battles. We do not engage in arguments with children with ODD at all times. It's not necessary. Most times it's better to just walk away. It is important for us to work as a team. The caregivers, the parents, the therapists, the teachers. And when this happens, the child or the person with ODD sees that everybody is on his or her side trying to help the person, support the person to become a better person. Now, we should remember that a child with ODD is not a bad child. It's not a bad person. That person is actually struggling to manage big emotions. So we should be a support and not a pull down. Thank you for watching this series on ODD.